Hey everyone, Brian Lovette here with Lovette Properties. So excited to bring you this next listing. I say it a lot. This is probably the best golf course lot you will find this year, likely for years to come. We are sitting literally on the 10th tee box overlooking the 16th green and the 18th green. This home has a fully fenced in backyard flat lot and was just custom built in 2020. Every detail has been thought through, masterfully designed and built. Everything. You have an encapsulated crawl space. You've got beautiful finishes on the inside, custom cabinetry. Every bell and whistle that you can think of has been put into this house. Your master closet spills over into the laundry room. You've got little details like live edge shelving in your butler's pantry. You just can't find these details and this quality anywhere. You have full first floor living, bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, living, 2 full baths. You've got the works downstairs, but you've got all this bonus space upstairs. You've got a bonus room, an office, and a full bath upstairs. This home comes in just over 3,100 square feet. It will not last long. These custom homes do not last. So please let us know if you have any questions at all. We want to get you answers. Come live on the Pine Hollow Golf Course, call this home, and enjoy golf course living at its finest. Have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic rest of your week.